Hi everyone, I'm Donna from the Land Rover Guidebook channel. Today, we will learn about the Valet Mode. Valet Mode can be used to leave your vehicle for a while after arriving at your destination. Keep it with your smart key for those who help with parking. Swipe left on the home screen to select Valet Mode. You must enter a PIN to activate the Valet Mode. 1926 is the factory default PIN. You can also tap the show numbers at the bottom of the screen to see the numbers. The PIN may vary for each Land Rover vehicle and is listed in the handbook. If you entered a PIN, tap OK to enter Valet Mode. When the Valet Mode starts, only the Land Rover logo is displayed on the screen, and only the parking and camera functions are available. Valet Mode is a function used to leave the vehicle for a while, so you can use the parking and camera functions to help with parking, but most other functions cannot be used. There are glove box buttons in front of the passenger seat. You will hear a beep when the top button is pressed and the instrument panel will prompt Valet Mode. Pressing the lower button will sound the same beep. The instrument panel will prompt you for the Valet Mode and the glove box will not open. On the bottom of the Touch Pro Duo, you can only use the climate and vehicle, and all other functions are disabled. There is a tailgate button on the bottom left of the driver's seat. If you press the tailgate button, you will hear a beep. The instrument panel will guide you to the Valet Mode, and the tailgate will not open. In addition, the rear seats also have limited use, so folding the rear seats does not allow access to the luggage compartment. To exit Valet Mode, simply enter PIN and tap OK at the bottom. All features of the Touch Pro Duo, glove boxes, and tailgates are now available. Now, let's activate the Valet Mode on the Discovery. You can tap Valet Mode on the Extra Features screen and enter 1926 or enter a temporary PIN. Now only the parking and camera functions are available on the screen and can be opened by pressing the button on the glove box. However, the lower glove box without buttons has a handle and can be opened by pulling the handle even during Valet Mode. This time, let's use Valet Mode on the Discovery Sports. In Discovery Sport, simply select the Valet Mode and enter 1926. Discovery Sport doesn't have a glove box at the top, which limits the Touch Pro's screen and tailgate functionality. To exit Valet Mode again, type 1926 and tap OK. As such, most Land Rover vehicles have a master PIN set to 1926 by default. This time, let's change to another number. Tap the settings icon at the bottom of the screen and tap all settings in the settings pop-up. Tap General and tap the Master PIN. Tap the PIN setting menu at the bottom of the Master PIN setting. Enter 1926, which is the factory default setting, and tap OK. Now you need to choose two security questions. Scroll down the left scroll bar and select two of the different security questions. Let's choose the first question, the mother's maiden name. Enter any last name and tap OK. Let's choose the first car, the second question. Enter any car and tap OK. The screen now changes to the new PIN setting. Simply enter the new PIN you want and tap OK. Enter the same number again to confirm PIN and tap OK. The banner comes down from the top of the screen to inform you that the master PIN has changed. If you can't remember your PIN, you can check it by tapping Forgotten PIN. The two security questions you just selected when you reset the new PIN will appear automatically. After answering both questions, tap OK to reset the new PIN. If you do not remember the answer to your own PIN or security question, you will have to visit the service center and reset it. You can also reset the PIN back to the same state as the first time. Tap Reset PIN at the bottom of the screen, enter your own PIN and tap OK to reset the PIN to its default value. The PIN is now reset to 1926, which was the factory default. So far we have learned about the Valet Mode. Please use valet mode to keep your valuables and your vehicle safe when you park. In the next video, we will talk about new Discovery Sport. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.